Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Ghost from Call of Duty in Ghost Recon Breakpoint. First, navigate to the character customization menu. For his signature look, select the skull balaclava as your face mask. This is crucial for his iconic appearance. Next, choose the Revision Stinger Hawk goggles for his eye protection. Finally, equip the Oakley Sea Assault gloves to complete his handwear. Now let's focus on Ghost's torso and arms. For his main top, ensure you have the Cry combat shirt equipped, preferably in black or a dark gray. This provides a solid base. Next, select a tactical vest. The Cry JPC vest or the Blackhawk Strike vest are excellent choices, offering a robust and armored look. Choose a dark color like black or olive drab to maintain his stealthy aesthetic. Moving down to the lower half, select the Cry G3 combat pants for a rugged and tactical appearance. These pants offer both protection and utility. Choose a dark color like black, gray, or coyote brown to match the rest of his gear. For footwear, equip the UA Valsets RTS boots or any sturdy combat boots. Ensure they are also in a dark, practical color to complete his stealthy ensemble. To finalize Ghost's look, consider adding a tactical belt with various pouches for extra utility. A 5.11 Rush 24 backpack in a dark color can enhance his field readiness. For communication, equip a Pelter ComTac Roman 3 headset. Finally, for his weapon loadout, a Scar-H or M4A1 assault rifle paired with a P45T pistol will complete his combat-ready persona.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.